Just realised that was a very Project Nigel type section there. Let's go and have a look in this garage and see what's going on. Oh my god, he's a psychopath. What's he doing with that drill? He's drilled an hole.
You won't want so because it's boring.
Hey!
No one.
Right, you're right, it is boring. I'll stop recording. You having fun there?
Yeah.
Don't drink that all at once. Don't drink that all at once.
Cheers.
Done. What we're doing at the moment is painting the. I keep calling them rubbing strips, but they're not rubbing strips because they're like further back than edge of bumper.
Well, you drive the rubbing strip.
Hey, they're supposed to be like chrome trim, but they're all cracked, so I'm doing them grey anyway. So you shall see that when it's done. So we're just waiting for these little bits to dry before we put the grey on, which I can't show you. It's like a dark grey. What am I doing spinning around like an idiot? It's like a dark grey. It's not too far off the actual colour of the primer, to be honest. And I've got some matte lacquer to put on afterwards to make sure that it stays protected, but I think I've already told you that. So once these rubbing strips are done, once these trim strips are done, we can put front bumper back on, and then we can move on to the next bit, which I think's the door mirrors, which just need lacquering up, the side strips on the doors, which just need the same treatment as what we're doing on these bits here, and then it's the back bumper and the exhaust. And once they're done, then we can try and get her down to my house, and then I can do interior as and when I'll get bits for it then. Oh, and we need to do wheels at some point. So what we're attempting to do now is put a clinch nut in this hole here. So yeah, that looks like it's fun. We should have probably done this before we put headlight back in, you know. Let's see how we get.
Put one headlight in.
Is it? Let's see how we get on. I think we are going to be best taking headlight out, you know. Carnage! Look at all these little fins. Do you think we could use these and stick them on back as little diffuser fins? Yeah. Yeah, but underneath. So there's a thing, there's another thing, here's a thing, and there's some things there, and then there's a thing with some lights in it as well. So there we go. So we've progressed a bit today, but I can't show you the other bit. So yeah, we've made a mess, we've painted some stuff, we've bolted some stuff back together. Oh, we've fastened the battery down thanks to Mr. Pingu. Let me see if I can show you that. So if you remember, there was no battery clamp, but now there is a battery clamp.
With lamp. We need to repair a wing as well.
So here's the battery clamp that Pingu gave us. So we've had to took all the resonator box out and the stuff so I could get underneath. We've put a bolt through with a locking nut on the bottom and then a nut on the top. And now it doesn't come out. It still wobbles, but it doesn't come out. So that's all good. Blinded. So yep, that's that one done for today, and no doubt there'll be another one in 3 days' time. I'll say bye. I don't know whether he's going to say bye though. Are you going to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.